So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say good afternoon and welcome to KMTV Live here in Ganta-to-Saclepea County, where we are at the Saclepea to Ganta Road Corridor Work kicks off today with demolition exercise here. With the demolition exercise, and the groundbreaking for this road was done mid-December of last year by President George, where it's actually a full 210-kilometer road from here to Zwedru, Grand County, and the first segment of this road is a 39-kilometer road from Ganta to Saclepea, which is central Nimba, and the exercise officially kicks off here today. As you can see, citizens have come to witness the exercise here at the Ganta, in Ganta City. So the work started right here in the heart of the bread basket of Nimba, that is Gompa City, that other people refer to as the daybreak city of Nimba County. And you see the excavator there, demolishing those structures that have already been paid for. This particular part of the city, you can see, is the main part of the city, the principal street, the downtown area which houses most of the stores and shops. And this road has been one of the main challenges for citizens here, not only in Nimba, but mostly the southeasterners, because this road corridor actually links Liberia to the rest of southeastern area that includes Grand Jeddah, River G, Grand Prairie, and even Maryland County. And during the rainy season, it becomes a no-go zone for citizens. So citizens have come to witness the commencement So it's good to have all of you who are watching us, wherever you're watching us from. So we're going to start talking with Welcome to KMTV.
Yeah.
Let's have your own impression on this particular road construction. But first, let's know your name.
I'm Ganta-to-Saclepea from Ganta. Very much impressed of the people going. Very much impressed. The social development. The government paid the people of Nima County more than 8 months, 7 months. They were thinking to be told. Every time you expect, the government ready, you tell them as I go to your work. To wait to see the people. They paid them. Thank you very much for
So Dawuda, what relief you think this particular road construction that started here today is going to bring to you or the people of Nima County as a whole?
The people of Nima County is too happy because the development in our country to see road connected point to branching. That's the biggest thing we want. You know what I'm saying? Barrow Medicine, Jovia, President John Maria, we tell you thank you very much because you know that.
All right, thank you. We continue witnessing the demolition exercise here in Ganta as the 210-kilometer road construction from Ganta City, Nima County to Zweju, Brejida County officially kicks off here in Ganta today with its demolition exercise. And the first corridor of the road segment is about 39 kilometers from Ganta here to Saclepea, central Nimba. And the demolition exercise officially kicks off here, and after those who have their structures in the right of way were being compensated, the government has started to demolish those buildings here, or those structures that are in the right of way. So we're here witnessing the official start of the construction of the 39-kilometer road corridor from Ganta to Saclepea. is fully or 210 kilometers from Ganta to Zweju, Rangide. But the first segment is from Ganta-to-Saclepea, and the groundbreaking was done during mid-December of last year by the president of Liberia, George Weah, and today citizens celebrating the official kick-off of the road and the demolition exercise of those properties or structures that are in the right-of way after they were being compensated. The exercise officially kicks off here now.
So we are working now. We are working.
So there are other citizens who are also trying to procure some materials from these broken structures like the zinc and planks. As you can see. So let's talk to Ma Orito. All right, Orito Bali is a market woman here in Ganta. Are you based in Ganta, Ma Orito? All right, so let's hear from you how you feel about this particular road work that is starting today. But we see structures being broken down. Are you in any way feeling maybe detail why they're breaking? So now you as a market woman, how you think this particular road work is going to help you, you know, in your market sale?
No, helping the fact that we are selling.
So the road work, when the road is open, it's going to help you to get your bitter bulk from the farm to Ganta. All right. All right, thank you, Marita Balie. So she's just talking to us. The road is going to help. A good road will always have less transportation, and getting that material to the market is going to be easy for them. All right, so let's talk to one of the residents of Ganta as well. Good afternoon, sir, and welcome to KMTV.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Let's get to know your name firstly.
I'm Aaron Yakubu.
All right, it's good to have you on our platform, and let's firstly get to have your overall reaction as it relates to this particular road of the construction of the Ganta-to-Saclepea road corridor that is starting here with demolition exercise today.
Yeah, thank you very much. First of all, let me thank the citizens of Ganta, and also the honorable president, honorable President, president of the bureau, that what he said, and we are seeing the fact that the demolition is going on, and we are seeing. And Gilman said, when you see the head of somebody or the stick, then the guy, there is smoke there. So I will tell you also that the demolition is going on, and we see that thing is going to be better.
Also, now the exercise has started with just demolition, though you're not a public work personnel, but being a labor person, how soon do you think that this particular role is actually going to take? You know, how long is it going to take for this construction and other things as you see it starting to do?
Thank you very much. We cannot get to tell me whether how soon or how far or how little will it be. But the matter of the fact is, the payment have been done ever since. And the millions of this city, the Compa city, the millions of Compa city are getting the air now that each and everyone who have been paid should carry out all their property before they take place. But the people, they are not getting anything in the sense that they don't want to listen. They are not believing. We know that seeing is believing. And those who say that now you can see the demolition is going on because people don't believe that this thing will take place. They are taking it to be a Liberian things. But what we believe in the Liberian things is we can say it can't happen. So all the demolition was it will not happen. And now they say Mayor told them on radio. And for me, as a labor inspector or the county inspector for labor, we believe that the city mayor said it that every one of them that are taking this money should have the property excluded from the road.
So what's your excitement about this entire exercise, especially the road construction?
Okay, even if I'm my own house, where I receive money from the government, the government have paid me, I will be very excited to live on this place. If I don't leave anything government does, it means it is my own detriment because I have been paid for that already.
But Ganta is a bustling business center and a city that is actually overcrowded, and the population is growing by day. And despite the people who have their property or structures in the right of way being compensated, I think time should be given to them so that they can find another places to relocate their business, especially people who are affected are people who have businesses mostly. So do you think that it's going to be easier that they have a new place to relocate themselves?
No, everything have been done ever since. Because if the government said that they should have it and they give them the time and they pay them off. Once they pay you off and they give you time, the limitations of that time have gone beyond. And the city mayor went on radio, we all here, and for me, I'm an evidence of that. I'm a living evidence of that. And the city mayor said, before the 5th of March, everything will be demolished and the machine will stop. So, and the thing, the payment was done in January. The partner in November of January, the payment was ongoing. So by March, we expect everybody to leave this place. But people to believe themselves to be Liberian because Liberian notion is they can say something, they can't do it. So they have to believe that anything will not do it, will not be done. For this time, we are seeing the thing going. Let me first of all congratulate the president and also the same mayors of Compa that if the manager is going on, even in the house, let them break it down.
Thank you, Mr. Cooper.
Thank you very much.
All right. He is the county inspector for the Ministry of Labor. Here, let's talk to Mr. Amos. So let's talk to the city mayor The city mayor of Ganta, he is Mr. Amos N.G. Swa. He has also come to witness this particular exercise. He has come to witness this particular exercise that is ongoing, the road construction which has kicked off from his own area of control, that is Gompa City, which he is the supervisor of, that is the mayor. And we trying to get a place where he can safely stand, that he can also give us his own impression about the work that is being done here. So that is So here is Mr. Amos N.G. Swa. He is the Lord Mayor of the city of Ganta. Good afternoon, Mayor Swa, and welcome to KMTV. All right, Gompa City.
So, that people will let us see for ourselves. So we are seeing the reality. The work is going on. Non-stop. It just pre-looks at the whole system.
So the demolition exercise has actually kicked off today. How soon do we hope to see the real construction work starting?
You know, the project will give the contractor. It is the government responsibility to pave the way. We are paving the way so that the company can
Sorry for the interruption. You actually know that we are at a, let's say, a demolition site, so we have to always take precaution. So simply what you are telling us is that everything is almost on course for the work to kick off. It's a long road corridor from Ganta to Zweju, but the first segment is just from here, Saclepea. I think it's going to bring relief to the people of your city.
I'm all happy. Because every time government is not working, people are not working, this thing coming to us now, it's a reality. People are seeing it. So the news are going already. The poor kids will start to they call property. Very blue. And at the time, it's better for us to start from the center and go to that direction.
But Honorable Mayor, somebody would say that Ganta is a basic business city, and your city has a very huge population, and most of those structures that are in the city that fall within the right of way are owned by business people that were running active businesses, and the city has a huge population. So relocating become a challenge to them. Why didn't you start from outside the city? Then before coming to the city, they have had much time to put themselves together.
The government paid the bill last year, and the information went on last year that if the January will start. So we imagine government get extra 2 months again. What do you want the government to do? What do you want the government to do? We have to play our part. The development, no joke about development. Development come with things. At the end of the day, the vast majority of people enjoy the facility.
All right, this is a main road corridor. On the other hand, we also see that in the city that you are mayor of, Gompa City, there are a lot of communities that actually like lack of this particular road connectivity. So what are you doing in your own power as the mayor of this city to make sure that other communities that are almost becoming landlocked when it comes to being not having good access, let's say access to good road condition? What are you doing about that?
What I can tell you is, we're going to begin with someone. That you are cross street. This is our own cross street in the city. That is all. The ask of the city will start nobody for it. Already the yellow machine is never going to happen. And so when the yellow machine is prepared, we're going to the community.
On the other hand, again, to ask you another question that is not actually related to this, Ganta-to-Saclepea road corridor. For the last few months, you started multilateral or multi-purpose city hall, and now the work we have seen that it has been halted, and we actually care to know why it's being halted and how soon you hope to pick it up from where you stopped already.
City Hall?
Yeah.
You know the president promised the people of Ganta that we're going to build the City Hall. So we look forward to the president. Well, the president is on the tour. At the end of the tour, we have to visit the president, and then he will tell us exactly when the president will pick up.
The Ganta City Corporation had a program doing the groundbreaking somewhere almost 2 years now, and there was some fund that was being raised, some material that was being raised and even pledged by people. So what are we saying about that also?
No, what we will see if we reach the ground, we went 45% in laying bricks in the foundation. You can go there and take the photo. So whatsoever we've been getting, we've been using it for that 5%.
So what you telling us now is that everything is being halted till the president can come in, as he's promised to take the full responsibility.
Exactly. Exactly. Because we look up to our president and we know our president will do it for us.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
He is the Lord Mayor of the city of Gompa, Mayor Amos N.G. Swa. He was just in conversation with us, and also aside this particular demolition exercise, he also talking about how to start the work of other roads in the outskirts, let's say within the community, because there are a lot of communities in Ghana, major communities that actually lack road connectivity. Citizens of those, let's say residents of those communities, facing serious problems, even living from their community to the outside. It becomes a serious challenge to them. There are some communities in Ganta, you just can't believe it. Despite the big name, there are communities in Ganta that people who reside there don't really, use car to get there because they don't have good connection. There are a lot of roads that need coverage, and it's not going on. So it is a kind of dramatic scene as well. While the demolition is going on, those who had the structure, though it's being paid for, they are also demanding that no one else should take, material from that demolished building like the zinc or the plank, and they're still claiming ownership of it, and it's leading to a serious controversies. Let's say confrontation here. All right, so folks, we want to say thank you so much for giving us your time. Of course, this is Liberia's premier all-on television, KMTV. We're always here to serve you nothing less than the best. We are everywhere. That is why we are right here today. My name is Nathaniel Sussex Topa, right here. I'm the correspondent for KMTV in Nimba, and it's good to be here. It's becoming more contentious since the issue of getting material from a demolished building is raising contention among citizens, as others are fighting to take some of those materials like the plank, the zinc. So thank you once again. Thank you so much for watching us on KMTV, right here from what people call the breadbasket of Nimba, Gompa City. Of course, the busiest cities in Nimba County. My name is Nathaniel Sussex Tupper. As we look to end up this broadcast, I want to say thank you so much for giving us the time. Thanks for sharing our broadcast, and thanks for always being there, for trusting us, and we always here to serve you the best. This is Liberia's #1 online television, the creative minds, KMTV. We are everywhere. That is why we are right here in Ganta and right on your screen this afternoon. So thank you, and God bless you. Bye-bye.